guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are reviewing the SKODA SLAVIA. It looks gorgeous in its blue shade. This is the flagship color and it looks great. This is the 1 liter style TSI which is paired to a 6-speed automatic torque converter, and it looks great. It looks so sharp and I love the new grille that SKODA has adopted in all of its cars now. And let's see, I'm going to show you all the rear end now. Let's go. Okay guys, so the Slavia looks great from the rear end. I love how they've changed the logo and now they've written SKODA over here, that they're doing in all the cars now. I'm going to show you the trunk. It's the largest in its segment. It has a capacity of 521 liters and it's got a spare tire inside. It's not a full size, it's just a space saver tire inside. I'm going to show it to you with one side. Yeah, so that is the space saver tire. Okay guys, so the back is really comfortable. You can see how much leg space I've got. The seats are deep, so you have a bit of headroom also, and you have a lot of leg room, and 5 people can go in comfortably, not a big issue. And the car's got 2 AC vents over here. It's got 2 USB-C type charging sockets, and the main thing that the car's got is the phone holder right here. You can slot in your phone, and there it is. Which car seat offers this? Please let me know. I haven't seen this yet until I saw it right now, and it's a very small thing and very easy to make, I think, but it's such a great feature, so well thought about. And I mean, yeah, it's pretty comfortable. So now we're gonna go to the front and we're gonna get driving. So I'll see you soon. Okay guys, so let's get driving. I'm going to shift into gear. Strong initial. So this is the 1 liter TSI and it's a torque converter. It's a 1 liter turbo engine producing 114 horsepower and 178 Newton meters of torque. So now we're going to pull the car a bit in normal drive mode, no modes as of now. Full acceleration, kick down, revs till 6000 RPM. Very linear acceleration, no matter how much RPM you're at. Very linear acceleration. Smooth cornering. You can see how I'm cornering. I'm cornering at 115 km per hour. Cornering and smooth overtake. Very smooth car. Very good suspension. It's got a soft suspension setup, so it's good for the city, but steering wheel weighs up progressively as you keep driving. There's not a lot of much of difference in the weighing up, but it's still great. And it's really great for the city. You can see how the amount of bumps there are on a highway. You're driving on a state highway and the amount of bumps in the city. I mean, you need a soft suspension car, right? And very peppy car. 1 liter automatic, but because it is paired with a torque converter and not a dual clutch transmission, the amount of lag is very well contained. There's very little lag, and in the first gear especially, there's hardly any lag in the first gear. When you compare it to a Sonnet, the amount of lag that a Sonnet has, I feel I cannot even drive the 1 liter Sonnet because it's got so much of lag that it just spoils the mood to drive. But it's not the case with this one. It's got a good initial, it's got a great pickup, it's good for the city. Till 40 it can go up very nicely. Then it becomes a bit sluggish. After 100, 120 it does become a bit sluggish, you'll see very soon. But till that speed, I think it goes, it moves great, and I think that's really matters, right? Because speed limits is 100 and 120 right now, so it doesn't really matter if it does not have a great top end. But other than that, this car is good. It looks great. You saw the color. It's in the flagship color and it looks so good. It's such a different kind of blue. It's like a teal or an aqua kind of blue, which looks great. And the car's got a single sunroof. It does not have a panoramic sunroof, but it's pretty big and good for a car this size. And so this is the style variant, and they provide a style variant in the 1.5 liter DSG as well, but that is pretty expensive compared to this one. This one is 18.8 lakhs on road Mumbai, which is also expensive, I would say, for a 1 liter turbo engine. But it's got good power, it's got good features, it's got everything that you would need, so the price is still justified. And it's a SKODA car, so you've got to pay the premium for the premium experience, right? So the car's got a really cool infotainment system. I really like the infotainment system. You can see your vehicle status right now, then there's media, there's radio, and it's got good speakers, and there's also an ambient lighting in the car. And the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is wired, it's not wireless, and they should have provided wireless, but it's wired. The car does not have a wireless car charger, so there is nothing really wireless in the car. And it's connected by telematics, so the car is connected via your phone, which is great. And the display is digital, but you can change this display. I'm going to show it to you right now. You can change, there are 3 to 4 kinds of displays that you can change from, and it's pretty great. So this is one, and this is also nice. I like the speedometer. It looks like an analog speedometer in a digital form. This is the normal digital speedometer, and this is the one we are using. I really like this one. I like the RPM meter. I really like the copper finish on the dashboard, and I really like the placement of the dashboard, right? Because I'm not a fan of these integrated 15-20 inch long infotainment systems, because I think they are a hindrance to your vision. I really like this, how it's laid out down, and you have a clear field of vision, and the AC vents look really nice, and they're placed down over here. And the system also looks really nice. It looks neat and it looks pretty premium. The car has the same engine as the Volkswagen Virtus. Compared to the Virtus might perform a bit better because of the suspension setup and the tuning, but very slightly better because it's still the same engine. But Volkswagen suspension setup is stiff. It's not as good as this one. So if you are chauffeur driven, or if you do not want to drive a car very fast and are not into that sort of thing, and really like soft suspension and comfort, if luxury is your number one priority, then this is the car for you. It feels very premium, very luxurious. It feels as good as you're in an Octavia. An Octavia it costs 30 lakhs, so getting that experience for way cheaper is something I think you should look forward to. And we're gonna soon reach the spot where we're gonna turn on the car to sport mode, and we're gonna see the car to its full potential. So the car's got ventilated seats because it's a style variant. It's got 2 ventilated seats at the front, cool ventilated seats. So it works pretty nice, but it's very, very loud. I'm gonna turn it on for a minute to show you how loud it is. It's on. You can hear suddenly the cabin feels so noisy. Works well though, but the cabin feels very noisy. And now we're gonna switch off the so much better now. So now we're gonna put the car into sport in a minute, and we're gonna drive the car to its full potential. So the car goes from 0 to 100 in around 11 seconds, which is slow. It is slow compared to the cars nowadays. Okay, let's see. So the sport mode is in the gearbox itself, and shift, and now we're into sport. very linear acceleration right now, not full complete kickdown. Slow down and downshift. So we are on 50 right now, 4th gear, 2nd gear, 1st gear manual, full rev, auto shifts. So now we are on 110. It took a lot of time to reach 110. There's a bit of traffic. We're going to do some maneuvers in traffic. See how the SKODA drives in. Pretty smooth. And going to rev the car again. Shifting into 3rd gear manual. Full acceleration. 4th gear. But there's no kick in the pants feel at all. It's just linear throughout. It's linear till the end, till the top end. Even when you press the accelerator completely, you can hear the car revving, but not really going fast. So it's linear completely till the end. But it's not bad for a 1 liter. The performance isn't bad. Stable, even having a soft suspension, pretty stable. You might not be able to compete with a lot of cars out there if you are going for a race, if you're going for that kind of a thing. In the 1 liter at least, you might not be able to compete well, because the other cars that have also got a turbo really go fast and have a good pickup. This car also has a very good initial, but it gets very sluggish. After 80 it goes a bit slower. But it's okay. Now we're gonna test the stability of the car. So now we're gonna test the stability. Wow, this car is pretty stable. Do that again. Now we're on 60 and taking this turn. Pretty stable. So the car's got a really good build quality. I mean, when you open the bonnet, the trunk, and it all closes with a thud, it feels so premium. It feels very safe. And recently, just a few days back, the car got tested at the GNCAP, and it scored a 5-star rating at the GNCAP. So you know how safe it is. Okay, we're gonna take a high-speed corner now, back into sport, into 1st manual. Pretty stable on corners too. Full acceleration. Shift the analog display to see. 3rd gear sport. Full kickdown acceleration. Very linear power, very linear delivery. Gets a bit unstable after 140. You can feel the car moving around. I can feel the car drifting a slight left to right on the road. It's because of the suspension. It's not meant to go so fast. It's meant for the city. But it's still pretty great. You can see how I can do so many overtakes so easily. Fun car, guys, fun car to drive. So this is, you can call it the rapid replacement in the SKODA lineup, and it's pretty good. If you consider it as a replacement of the rapid, it's pretty better than the rapid, and it's obviously overpriced too, but it does the job. It's good for a city car. If you want a car to drive in the city, a sedan which is decently priced, looks good, has got all features. then this is a great car. But also you can obviously take this car out of town also and have fun. So yeah, I mean, I think that's it for today, and I hope you all liked the video. If you all did, please share, comment and like the video, and I hope to see you all soon in the next video. Bye bye.